In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share files and folders in Google Drive. Whether you're collaborating on a project or simply want to share some documents with others, Google Drive makes it incredibly easy to manage these tasks. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to select the folder or file you wish to share. To start, open Google Drive in your preferred web browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the specific folder or file that you have in mind for sharing. You can either browse through your folders or use the search bar to quickly locate it. It's important to ensure that you've selected the right item, as sharing settings will be applied only to the specific folder or file you choose. Once you've made your selection, the next step is to click on the share icon located at the top of the Google Drive interface. This icon is usually represented by a simple person silhouette with a plus sign. Clicking this icon will open up the sharing options for the chosen folder or file, allowing you to move on to the next step. Now that you've accessed the sharing menu, you have the option to either type in the email addresses of the individuals you want to share with, or select from a list of people you have previously shared with. If you're working with a team, typing in a group email is a quick way to collaborate with everyone at once. Be sure to double check the email addresses you enter to avoid any misinformation or sharing with unintended recipients. With the recipients selected, you'll want to adjust their permission levels according to what you're comfortable with. Click on the drop down next to the recipients' names where it currently says editor. Clicking here provides options such as viewer, commenter, or maintaining them as an editor. Each role comes with different access rights. Viewer allows individuals to view without making changes. Commenter lets them leave comments but not edit. An editor provides full editing capabilities. Select the appropriate level of access depending on your needs. And that's it. These simple steps ensure that your files and folders are shared securely and efficiently through Google Drive. Remember, sharing files wisely can enhance productivity, especially when working collaboratively, so always be intentional with permissions and recipients. Thank you for watching this tutorial on sharing files and folders in Google Drive. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out other tutorials for more useful tips and tricks. Until next time, happy sharing.